What if I told you there's an AI that can analyze contracts, research complex laws, and even draft legal documents better than a human lawyer? Sounds impossible, right? Well, welcome to the future, because it's already happening. In 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just creating art or writing blogs anymore. It's entering the courtroom. AI is now stepping into one of the most trusted and complex human professions: law. This next-gen AI doesn't argue in front of a judge, but it thinks like a top attorney. And the crazy part? Law firms in the US are already using it to save thousands of hours every single month. Imagine, instead of spending nights reading 100-page contracts, an AI does it for you in seconds and finds the hidden clauses that even experts miss. Scary? Maybe. Impressive? Absolutely. So how does it work? This AI is trained on millions of pages of legal documents, court cases, and research data. When you give it a question like, "What does California law say about data privacy in 2026?" it doesn't just search. It reasons, it summarizes, and it explains, just like a real lawyer would. And guess what? It even writes drafts, contracts, or legal memos automatically right inside Microsoft Word. But here's where it gets wild. It doesn't replace lawyers. It upgrades them. Think of it as Iron Man's suit, but for legal professionals. With this AI, law firms can handle 10 times more clients with the same team. Companies are using it to review contracts in minutes instead of weeks. And startups are saving thousands of dollars by letting AI do the boring, repetitive stuff. If you're in the US legal, business, or compliance world, this tool is a total game changer. If you're loving this futuristic AI stuff, hit that subscribe, drop a like, and comment below, "AI is the future," so I know you're part of the smart crowd. Now here's the best part. This tool doesn't just automate tasks. It learns from your style, your tone, and your firm's workflow. Every single day it gets smarter. Some experts say this kind of tech will make legal services affordable for everyone. No more huge lawyer bills, just instant AI-powered legal help. That means justice becomes faster, cheaper, and more accessible. But with that comes a big question. Will AI eventually replace human lawyers completely? Or will it simply make them superhuman? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the law world will never be the same again. And the AI leading this revolution, it's called Co-Counsel. Built by Thomson Reuters, this AI legal assistant is redefining what it means to be a lawyer in the digital age. If you want a full tutorial on how to use Co-Counsel or other professional AI tools, drop a comment below saying, "Teach me AI law." And remember, don't work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub. Thanks for watching.